Hello, my name is Tyra Aviles, and today I'm going to talk about the contamination in the Merrimack River. The Merrimack River has a longitude of 117 miles and a flow of 7,557 cubic feet. It goes through the cities of Newburyport, Lowell, Nashua, Haverhill, Manchester, Lawrence, Concord, Franklin, and the Deer Island. The Merrimack River starts in Franklin, where the Pemigewasset and Winnipesaukee rivers join together and flows 117 miles into Massachusetts and then east, emptying into the Atlantic Ocean at Newburyport, Mass. The watershed is the total region where any water ends up in the Merrimack River and where development can affect water quality. It includes both the Pemigewasset and Winnipesaukee rivers, as well as the Contoocook River, covering more than half of New Hampshire. The watershed extends north into the White Mountains and west to the edge of the Connecticut River Valley. Following the retreat of the glaciers, debris deposited north of Boston filled the lower Merrimack Valley, redirecting the river toward its present northeast bend at Lowell. One of the major ecological resources of New England is the Merrimack watershed. It was crucial to the growth of colonial New England and the country. It helped build rich farmlands and has been a clean water provider for centuries. It supports thousands of plants and animal species, including local and migratory fish, birds, and mammals, as well as the commercial fishing grounds of the Gulf of Maine. Like many rivers in America, the Merrimack River was heavily polluted as a result of industrial growth. Lowell became the largest industrial center in America. Around the earliest 18,000, the Merrimack River water was used to run machines through kinetic energy and would be directed through channels to the biggest textile factories or mills. In consequence, this industrial period brought industrial waste, urbanization, and deforestation. In the 20th century, these mills would bleach and dye clothes and yarn. In consequence, the chemicals from these processes would be dumped to the river. Some of these contaminants included sulfuric acid, muriatic, lime, arsenic, causing the water to be discolored. Apart from this, the river would be affected by human waste like garbage and feces. In response to all of this contamination, the Clean Water Act was established in 1972. The Clean Water Act prohibits anybody from discharging pollutants through a point source into the water of the United States, unless they have a National Pollution Discharge Elimination System permit, often referred to as New England's Waters Permit. The permit contains limits on what can be discharged, monitoring and reporting requirements, and often provisions to ensure that discharge does not hurt water quality or people's health. Today, the Merrimack River is still considered an endangered river. Nearly 500 million gallons of polluted stormwater and sewage are dumped into the river every year. On the other hand, the Merrimack River remains a vital resource in providing drinking water for more than 600,000 people and offering habitats for at least 75 endangered species. This river is a symbol of resilience and must be restored and protected for the next generations. Promoting new zoning regulations, limitations on fertilizer, and communities' participation in environmental justice, we will recognize the need for conservation. Thank you.